YouTube, CEO in the making, back with another video, and today we're checking out two pairs of true wireless earbuds from Soundcore. We've got the Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pro versus the Soundcore Life A2. I've heard really great things about both of these earbuds, so I wanted to get them in and kind of compare them and see what the differences are and to see the reasoning for the price difference. The Liberty Air 2 Pro is coming in at 130 bucks and the Life A2 is coming in at 80 bucks. And actually right now the Life A2 is on sale. So if you're interested, chances are you can save a little bit of money. Now, before we get into the rest of the video, let me just say that both of these earbuds are extremely solid options. So shout out to Soundcore for bringing some quality products to the table. Now let's go ahead and get into the rest of the video. So starting off with the earbuds, obviously with the Liberty Air 2 Pro, you've got that stem style design, whereas the Life A2 does not feature that design. It's more of an earbud with an ear wing. So naturally, the Life A2 is going to give you a little bit more secure fit. Both earbuds feature touch sensitive controls, and overall they both look really nice. You've got that signature Soundcore branding featured on the side of each of the earbuds. Moving on to the charging cases, you can definitely tell that the Liberty Air 2 Pro has a much more stylish and premium vibe to it. It's got that color changing finish, so you can kind of see it's got that blue, and other lights it might give off a little bit of purple, almost like a pearl type finish, and you've got that nice reflective logo right in the middle. The Life A2 case is definitely more on the subtle side. It's got the matte black finish all the way around with some branding on the lid. And overall, both of the cases are definitely bringing some solid build quality to the table. Now, as far as the overall specs, with the Liberty Air 2 Pro being the more expensive of the two earbuds, they do have a few more bells and whistles, including wireless charging, auto play and pause, as well as access to the custom Hear ID EQ within the Soundcore app. But aside from that, these two earbuds are very similar in terms of the overall specs. So what I'll do, I'll put the main specs up on the screen so that you guys can kind of compare for yourselves. Feel free to pause the video for you to take a longer look. As far as the fit, both earbuds are providing a good amount of comfort. They both come with a nice assortment of extra ear tips and ear wings for you to find the best fit for your ears. Now, since the Life A2 has an ear wing, they are going to give you a more secure fit compared to the Liberty Air 2 Pro. So for activities like hitting the gym, I would definitely go for the Life A2. When it comes to the touch controls, they're pretty much the exact same between the two earbuds. You don't have access to all controls at once, so you will have to go into the app and kind of pick and choose what you want. Now let's go ahead and talk about the sound quality. So for starters, you're getting some really great sound out of both of these earbuds. And honestly, I had to really sit down and kind of go back and forth between the two earbuds and really nitpick to really find any differences between the two. Both earbuds have access to 22 different EQ presets within the Soundcore app, which I absolutely love. I think Soundcore has the best EQ choices out of any other app. Personally, I really like the classical and the R&B preset, so those are two that I definitely recommend. You're getting a very balanced sound with both of these earbuds. The bass is great, it's punchy, it's clean, it's crisp, and the same for the treble. It comes in very clean. And with the EQ settings, you can really tailor these to the sound that you want. So after going back and forth between the two earbuds numerous times and really nitpicking between the sound, I do feel like the Life A2 has slightly more of a punch in terms of bass. But again, it's very slight, it's not a huge difference at all, and honestly, most people probably wouldn't even notice. Now, as far as testing the active noise cancellation, I happened to be at the right place at the right time. I was at the park getting some footage and there was an actual marching band in the background, so I was really able to put the earbuds to the test and see which one performed better in terms of canceling out noise. The Liberty Air 2 Pro are giving you slightly more effective ANC. The Life A2 do a great job as well, especially for the price, but it's not quite on the level of the Liberty Air 2 Pro. And as far as the transparency mode, I actually think the Life A2 do a slightly better job. You're getting a nice natural sound with both earbuds. It doesn't sound processed and there's really no white noise with either of the two, but it does seem like the transparency mode on the Life A2 is just slightly stronger than the Liberty Air 2 Pro. Now when it comes to the microphones and the call quality, both earbuds feature a total of 6 microphones with noise canceling technology. And when I did the microphone test, it was outdoors the same day at the park and it was extremely windy. So it probably wasn't the best setup for a microphone test, but even so, the earbuds did a great job at canceling out noise and kind of focusing on my voice. I did have to speak a little bit louder, but you guys will definitely see in the video exactly how windy it was and how well the earbuds performed. All right, so this is a microphone test of the Soundcore Liberty Air 2 Pro wireless earbuds. We do have a good amount of wind noise taking place as well as other outdoor noises. A lot of people out here at the park today, so this may or may not be a good test just with everything that's going on, but this should give you a good idea as to how well these cancel out other noises. Okay, and here we have the Soundcore Life A2 true wireless earbuds. So same windy, noisy environment. So again, this should give you a good idea as to how these would sound and how well they do canceling out outdoor noises. So that covers it for this video. As you can see, both of these earbuds are bringing a lot to the table. So hopefully this video kind of helps you narrow your decision if you're considering either of these earbuds. And if this video was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up to help support the channel. And as always, I'll see you guys next time.